I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by connecting hardware. Plug the Apple TV 4K into power and the TV with an HDMI 2. One cable, then switch the TV to that input. Make sure your Siri remote has a charge and your router is on. Once done, you'll see the setup screen. Use the remote to pair and choose language. You'll be prompted to join Wi-Fi, enter the password, or use your iPhone to transfer settings, which speeds things up and syncs your Apple ID. After initial pairing, sign in with your Apple ID to activate iCloud, purchases, and personalized recommendations. This also enables home and AirPlay. Next, set video output. Choose 4K HDR or Dolby Vision if both TV and cable support it, and adjust color settings for best brightness and contrast. Then install streaming apps, arrange the home screen, and enable automatic app updates. Make sure subtitles, audio language, and privacy settings match your preferences to avoid interruptions later. Once apps are installed, play a 4K HDR clip to confirm resolution and audio output. Use a Dolby Atmos sample if you have a compatible sound system. If video looks off, revisit display settings and HDMI connection. Make sure Siri is enabled for voice control and set night mode for late listening. If streaming stalls or sign-in fails, restart the Apple TV and router. If problems persist, check HDMI firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.